We know playing with RCs and especially tiny trucks can be really fun, but if you haven't tried it before, FPV or first person view can really add a whole different perspective to this world of play. Check this out. So here's my SCX24. I've added a servo and a camera, so we turn power on. There we go. Remember I was saying it'd be nice to find a use for that third channel. Well, that's what you see here. But when we put this little thing together, if you're ever flying, you can't do this in Australia, you need to have line of sight. But driving, no problem. Do you know what? I do wonder whether this battery's flat. Oh, all good. So what I'm just doing is going for a drive on relatively flat ground, and I've got my little camera in here so we can see where I'm going. I'll straighten up again. So I highly recommend FPV driving if you're after a bit of variety. You can get started with a camera and the little transmitter, which has its own special name, and I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head. But they go really well together. Oh, I think my battery might be flat, guys. I charged it, but I stuffed around here for a while, I'm sorry. Yeah, but we're still having an adventure. These cameras usually take just 3.7 volts. I'm following a small path I made, and even though if you were just standing around looking at it, it would be kind of boring, it's pretty exciting because I'm basically in the driver's seat. Ah. My plan was to talk to you while I drove here, but honestly it's taking quite a lot of concentration just to drive. It really is an adventure. So if you're looking for a bit of variety, I'll put in the description a good entry-level set of receiver goggles and a good little camera and radio transmitter all in one. I think I've run my battery a bit flat. We're going rather slowly here, unfortunately. So this is only going to be a short demonstration because I've muffed it with the battery. I'm sorry, but this is still actually an adventure. I do recommend it. You can also make a time trial out of things. That's quite fun. Oh, I know what the problem is. It's not the battery. I've got actually a little, there we go. I had the throttle pinned and I was thinking, what's going on here? That's better. We got some power. There's the back of me. And there's the bridge we started on. Oh, now, you're after a bit of variety. Well, let me introduce you to another version of FPV. I don't know if you can see up in there or not. Can we climb it? No, we can't. I'll come alongside it and... Guys, have a look, see if you can see what's in the cabin there. I'll do you one better. We're going to change to the Excavator FPV. Check this out. Alright, half a sec. This is fun. There we go. Alright. I can't see you, but you can see me. I highly recommend this. It is seriously good. Okay, so I quite enjoy playing Mud Runner. I haven't played computer games for a while. I'm a busy guy, but it's quite fun. I can't see what I'm doing, and it's awesome. It is so good. Yeah. This is going to take some mental calibration, obviously. I got a piece of wood! I got a roll of wood! I can't recommend this enough. It's so fun. Now, I got to cheat. We'll see which way my tracks are. Okay, now I see what's going on. And can I see the tracks through the camera? Kinda. I can see the tracks through the camera. good. All right. Let's see if we can put this out. You don't want to watch me giggling and doing this all day, I'm sure, but I really hope this recording's working. It is so awesome. All right, so let me see. I want forward and back, and then we're going to bring that around. Yeah, here we go. Is that about right? Yes. So I've said so 50 times on this. This is quite an experience. Driving with the little SCX24, that really made that quite fun. But doing this with the logs, now you'll see in the recording that, see this is recording on a memory card here, you'll see the, it's quite flickery. That's because it's in a metal cage. And I kind of put this together without too much planning. That's just what I did. Sorry, I'm not good at talking and concentrating. This is unreal. Like, this is seriously unreal. Now I want that to go that and that to go like that. No, actually we don't need to do that. We just go like this. Oh, last one. Oh man. This is so fun. This is so fun. Oh my goodness. That'll do. I'm gonna bore you guys to tears otherwise. I really can't recommend this enough. I seriously doubt this is gonna work, but so that's FPV. It's really fun with a car. It's fun plus with an excavator. I bet other equipment would be quite good as well, but just the excavator, really good. So you need a camera, a transmitter, and a receiver. This is an omnidirectional, this is a panel. This is for drones, and I haven't flown here for a year and a half or so, but flying here is really fun. But driving, it's where flying is frenetic and exciting, driving, the novelty will wear off eventually for this, but the challenge will remain. Driving is quite relaxing. For a crawler, particularly if you have fairly tame terrain, add FPV to your tame terrain, and I guarantee the experience will be completely different. Make sure you stick it behind the windscreen, okay? So I've got my camera here behind the windscreen. It's looking out there at the moment, but I stuck a servo to use that third channel. Even in a 110, stick it so it's ideally you can see the steering wheel and the dash as if you were sticking it right where your face would be. Completely transforms the experience. About $100, totally worth it, highly recommend it. If this was fun or inspired you to think of what you could do with FPV, throw me a like. If you come up with something, whack it in the comments too. I'd love to see what you come up with. I'm gonna probably try putting the bucket back on this and do some digging as well. So that's the FPV experience. I very much recommend it. About $100, it's worth it. So check the description for comments, and thank you so much for joining me today for this, well, emulated first-person experience, because it wasn't your first-person experience, but I'll share the recording and you can see just why I was giggling so much. Thanks guys, I'll catch you next time.